afternoon, this is Lucas with SOKYWX bringing you an afternoon update for the second day of March here on the 2020. We have a little bit of a severe weather risk that is moving into our area. I wanted to bring that to your attention here today. This update is going to be a little bit different compared to what we normally do. We're going to talk about this severe weather risk that's moving into our area. I want to remind you, since we have severe weather moving into the area, you're going to want to make sure to have your weather radios batteries in them plugged up, because this is going to be like one of our normal events and move through during the overnight hours. Timing of this system looks to be somewhere between 7 p.m. and 2 a.m., and that's Eastern Standard Time for those of you in that area, 6 p.m. to 1 a.m. Central Standard Time, and that is a slight risk, which is a level 1 out of 5 risk. We've discussed that on our videos in the past. Large hail is the most likely severe weather threat from this system. Gusty winds and flash flooding are also possible, and we cannot rule out an isolated tornado. And I just want to remind you the difference between a tornado warning and a tornado watch. As we head into the night, there's actually a tornado watch already been issued for portions of our area off to the west, and we're going to show you that area here in just a moment. But a tornado watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe thunderstorms capable of producing a tornado. And a tornado warning means that the tornado is in progress or is imminent. That's when you want to take shelter, and we can take a look here. The western portions of our area, Christian, Todd, Muhlenberg, and a couple of other counties have been placed into a tornado watch for this moment. This watch runs through 1 a.m. Central Time, and these storms have been developing. You can see that here off next to Paducah. And with these storms being possible, there is a chance that we could see these storms begin to intensify. We're going to take another look at radar here. It's a little bit more local radar. We're going to be able to actually take control of it here a little bit better and kind of show you what's going on with this storm. The first storm of the day has formed off next to Paducah, and it is producing some very, very heavy rainfall and some potential hail with it. And this is the kind of storm that we're going to see move through the area today. If I change radar sites, you can start to see some development potentially forming off over Hopkinsville area. If you're seeing anything in your area, let us know. Back off to the west in Missouri, there's more severe thunderstorm warnings that have formed over there. And we're going to keep our eyes on this. We're going to be able to keep you alert and updated with these storms as they begin to fire. Watch Twitter, Facebook, all of our social media platforms, and we'll have the latest for you. I want to remind you again, make sure that you have your weather radios ready so that when the tornado warnings, tornado watches, whatever kind of warnings or watches are issued, this will alert you, especially if it's in the middle of the night and you're asleep. You want to make sure to have some way to get your warning when you're asleep. And stay tuned. We're going to have the latest as these storms begin to move towards our area overnight tonight. Have a great night, and stay safe, and thank you for watching.